Hello friends, good afternoon. Welcome to Momentum Traders Group. In today's video, we will discuss about few stocks which I feel can give some good movement in the coming week. So let's discuss some stocks in this video. And one more important thing, guys, if you like the video, please like it, subscribe and share with your friends so that a lot of people can get benefit out of it. Let's start. Okay, so here are few of the stocks which I have selected for next week's trading. So from that, the first stock which I selected is Torrent Power. So if you see, stock is trading above 200 EMA, the black line is 200 EMA, so it gives a very clear indication that stock is in the upward direction. And on last Friday, so what happened? So this has happened. If you can see, it has given a trend line breakout with a huge volume, and this stock, as per the junior KG strategy, the PSR has given a buy signal on 2nd of Feb, but TSI and other indicators were not in the buy. But on Friday, this stock has given a clear buy as per our strategy, and it has given a trend line breakout with a huge volume. So there is a very high probability. So next week this stock can break this high level, which is around 600, and then move upwards from there. So just keep a watch on this stock. Next stock is again a very important one, VRL. So if you see, this stock is also at the level of breakout. As per our strategy, junior KG strategy, it has given a buy signal on 1st of Feb, and from there the stock is almost 10% up. And very important, which I see before taking the position, is the volumes. So especially in the breakout strategy, if you see, since last 4 days there are very high volumes coming in, and stock is trying to break out with a very high volume. So this is a very positive indication for the stock's upward movement. And rest all our indicators, TSI, MACD, ADX, all are in the buy signal. So if this stock sustains like 1 hour tomorrow above this breakout level, then I feel this can go, this can give a very good upward movement. So keep in your watch list and see how it performs tomorrow. Next one is Hindalco. This stock I selected from the metal sector, and if you know, in last couple of weeks, even though the market is very bearish, but metal sector has done really well. So if you see, this Hindalco is in a very upward moment, and as per our strategy, this stock has given a buy signal on 1st, and from there almost 15 rupees already it's gone ahead, and from here it has given a breakout, and from here now the stock is ready to go up. So the next ATH level will be around 550. So you need to watch at this level, but I think at this level also you can go ahead and take a position. See the volumes here. Since the stock started moving up, see the volumes, very high volumes are coming in, and all our indicators are also in a positive note. So very good stock to be watched in coming days. Next stock is specialty hotels, and again this is from a hotel industry, and since last 1 week all the stocks which are into hotel industry are really doing very good. So as per our strategy, the first indicator or the indication buy signal we got on 3rd of Feb, which is 2 days back, and if somebody would have taken this entry here around 107, and from there the stock is almost 12% up, and it has given a breakout on Friday with a huge volume, and it's going to go. If I just see the monthly chart of this, it's a very strong upward movement I can see here. Weekly chart, again, if you see this strong resistance level which is around 112, it has given a breakout on a weekly chart with a huge volume, so it can be considered to take a buy positions in coming week. Next one is Vedanta. This stock is at a very crucial level. This stock is at the ATH level, sorry, not the ATH level, the very strong resistance level, which is like almost 2018, and now this stock has reached the same level. If I go to daily chart, so if you can see, as per our junior KG strategy, already the buy signal is there, everything is in a perfect buy mode, and the stock is going up and up, and to support our movement, metal sector is doing really well. So again, this stock can be kept in watch list and considered to take a position if somebody want to play in metal sector. Next one is Ghcl. Last week this company has declared the results, and very good results. If you see here, this stock is at the breakout level. This is almost like 5th of October. From 5th of October, this stock was in a consolidation mode. This has made a very perfect rounding bottom, and it is at the stage of breakout level. So as per our strategy, everything is in a buy mode. If this stock breaks this level and start sustaining the price above this trend line, then I think long positions can be initiated. In fact, I have taken a very small trench on Friday just to try it. If the stock goes up, then probably I will add more trench here, and if the stock reverses from this trend line, then probably I will exit immediately on maybe end of the day. But if stock crosses this level, then definitely I will add more trench in this stock as well. So weekly also, if you can see, very strong movement, and at the level of breaking the ATH level. So very good stock to take a long position tomorrow. Next one is Gmdc. Very strong movement. I have taken a position here I think around 10th of Jan, around 80 rupees, and since then I am kept my position. In fact, I have taken my partial profit on this 24th Jan when it made a big candle, red candle, and closed below this green moving average. I just booked my 50% partial profit, but when it broke this level on this candle, which is on 3rd of February, I added a tranche here, and then it moved, given a very nice almost 8% movement on Friday. So if we just go back and little bit try to understand about this stock. So here are some of the trend lines I drawn. If I draw the straight line trend line, slant trend line, angle trend line, so if you see on a monthly chart, it is giving so strong volumes, and it has already broken the angle trend line, and if I go to Weekly chart, the same thing. It has given a nice breakout and it's going up. One more thing very important I just wanted to show you here, this blue line. So this blue line is basically called as curve trend line. This is something new which I learnt in recent days. This is a very good tool to mark your levels of targets and mark levels of resistance and support. Sorry. So this is a curve trend line. If you see, if I take the top ATH level and from there I draw this curve trend line, so it is taking perfect resistance with this curve line, and here for this stock I can see a target of around 176. So 170 level you can say as a good target, the first good target we can see in this stock in coming days. If I just draw a horizontal trend line also, so if you see here, this is the first one time resistance it took here in 2010, then in 2010 again, and in 2014 it took a resistance here and then went back, and in 2017 it took a resistance and it went back and gave a very big downwards movement. So now it is started upwards movement, so I am expecting the target should be somewhere around 170 for me. So I will hold the position till 170, and then near this level I might decide what to do, but this is what I can see at this moment based on the current technical structure. Okay guys, so let's move to the next stock, which is IRB. So if you see this monthly chart, so this is like around 275 level was a strong resistance since long time. If you see, this is the range from 2010, then 14 to 18, and then the stock went down, and then from there it started coming up. So but this time in this month it has given a strong breakout with that level, and if you see, all our indicators are in a very strong upward movement. If I go to weekly chart, this stock I have posted few days back on my Twitter and in the group as well to keep a watch, because this stock was at a very strong resistance level and trying to break, and this week it has broken this level with a huge volume. And second, if you see, after so much of downward fall, this last week this stock has given a buy signal on a weekly as well, as per our junior KG strategy, and TSI, MACD and everything gave a buy signal. Now if I come to daily chart, so I took my position on this day, on this day 253 sorry. The reason of taking this position on 253 was, the first of all, it gave a breakout at this level to me. This end of the day, I think around 3 o'clock when I seen, so the price was very much sustained above this level, and it gave a buy signal to me on that day, and that day only MACD and TSI also was in a positive buy signal. So I took a very small trench on this day, and next day when the stock gave a very good movement and with a good volume, I added a trench here, then I added a trench on this day as well, on 3rd of February as well. So you can see from which day, 31st of January to 3rd or 4th of February, I already added 3 trenches in this one. So here also for me at this moment, I think 320 can be the first target which we can looked at it, and then maybe next we can go up to 340 as a target, and then if stock maintains the same momentum, so this can be 320 is first what I am looking at, and then if the stock performs very well and start to go higher and high, then probably I will maintain, or I will book my 50% and then ride the trend with the 50% balance 50%. So that decision is that I will take it up as the day progresses and how the sessions goes. So based on that I will take a decision, but again a very very strong stock to be considered to take a long position. VBL weekly chart, if you can see, very good upward movement. Stock is in a consolidation mode from almost like September. This is in the consolidation mode. If I go to daily chart, why I selected this chart for or a stock for position is on 2nd of Feb our junior KG strategy has already given a buy signal. All the indicators gave a buy signal, and stock is at a resistance level. So if you see here, this zone is a very much strong resistance level, and the stock consolidates and then went down and then went up. So this is the zone where the actual consolidation of this stock started. If you see, before that it is just going up and up. So now the stock is at this level. If this breaks this level, then the first target can be straightway 1010, almost 60 rupees first stock. And then considering the volumes, the type of volumes it is coming, I think this time it should break, or else at least this small momentum or a swing play you can do for at least like a 10% of gains. This is one stock which I have just taken position on Friday based on the technical chart. If you see on a monthly, this has taken a strong support at this 9 EMA, and almost like October, November, December, January and February, and in February this started moving after consolidation. So if I see on weekly, so almost in the month of August on a weekly chart, our strategy gave a sell signal, and after that this is where it gave a buy signal with a huge volume last week. And if you see, this both the moving averages are just overlapping with each other. So this is a small, very strong contraction. You can see as a contraction, volume contraction. If you see down, volumes are almost dried up. Here if you see, the candles are very very small candles. So it's a very strong contraction zone is forming here, and this stock broke from this contraction zone and given a nice strong upward movement last week with the volumes. So if I go to daily chart, so actually on when 28th of Jan it gave a buy position, but I didn't take a position here. I think somehow I didn't see this stock. But on Friday when I was doing analysis of the stock, some of the stocks, that time I found this one, and I think this stock came in our screener as well. I don't know, I use multiple screeners, so I think one of my screener I got this stock. So then I studied, so I see this very strong price action and volume action is going on. So I just took a position end of the day, and let's see how it goes, because considering its long-term chart, it has given a very good strong upward movement, and then the stock was in a strong consolidation zone, and which is trying to move upwards now. So let's see how it performs. One more stock, again a low value. So this stock I selected based on the long-term chart. So if I see the monthly chart, since last 3 months, if you see the volumes, huge volumes are coming, and I think in the month of February 2018, not before that actually, in the month of June 2016, where EMA 19, EMA 9 crossed to EMA 21 on a monthly chart, and after that it never went or crossed above 21. So this is after like almost 5 years this movement again started, and if you see this first time EMA 9 crossed EMA 21 on a monthly chart, and stock is giving a very strong movement up towards upwards. And if I see on a weekly, almost after this level, first time weekly candle closed above 200 EMA, and see the volume bars, so huge volumes are coming in these last 4 weeks. So that's the reason I have chosen this stock. In fact, I have not taken the position yet in this stock. I am planning to take it tomorrow, because the way it has closed about 200 EMA, I feel technically this chart is very strong and the stock is going to give a upward movement. But again, Monday I will see how the price movement will happen, and then based on that I will decide to take a position in this stock. One more stock, Godavari Power. This stock on a weekly, after so much of downfall, given a nice upward movement last week with a huge volume, and all our indicators are giving a positive buy signal on weekly as well, and the angle trend line is given a breakout, and at once it gave a breakout at this level, it is just doing some consolidation. So I am expecting if this stock starts to move up from here, because Friday also I can see there are some decent volumes are coming up, and stock is just trying to hovering around this breakout level. If tomorrow this stock gives a good movement above this trend line, then I can say, I can feel that this stock can give a very good upward movement, and then this can go, the first target can be 392, and then second target you can go for 460, at least this level. So keep a watch on this stock as well. Next stock is Dhampur. So basically from sugar industry, although all the stocks in the sugar industry are doing very good, but I have selected 2 stocks. One is Dhampur sugar. So basically if you see on Friday, this stock gave a very strong breakout with a huge volume, and as per our strategy already on third it gave a buy signal. If somebody would have taken a position at this breakout, so stock has given almost 3-4% already up. So this has already given a strong breakout. If you see the chart, so this has already broken its ATH with a strong volumes, so can be a good stock to be taken position in if somebody want to take a position in the sugar industry. One more stock from sugar industry, Uttam Sugars. You may be knowing that yesterday it has declared quarterly results, very strong results it has declared, and here I can see the stock is in a very consolidation mode, and now on third it gave a buy signal as per our strategy, and then again next movement it seems it's started to take a next movement. If you see the last 2 days volumes, good decent volumes, and with this stock I can see that there is a good room to go upwards, like almost at least 300 rupees is the you can say is the target what you can expect. If this like if price sustains above this level, almost like 235-36, if it crosses, and if price sustains there, and then I think this stock can go to this ATH level, almost 300 rupees level this stock can touch, and it has given a very strong results yesterday. After that, one stock, this is again a very you can say at this moment very much impacted due to the COVID pandemic, but if you see this stock is at a very strong support level, resistance level, and then this is a support level. So stock is coming here, taking a support, going up, taking a support, going up, and now again it came, took a support, and now it is going up. So first thing is this is the reason I selected this stock. Second, this is coming to 200 EMA. If you see here, 200 EMA, 200 EMA, and then again 200 EMA. So it is coming to 200 EMA, taking support and going a upward movement. So this is the second reason. Third reason, if you take a position here, once the stock closes with a good movement upwards, if you take a position, if even though stock comes down, so your risk is very minimum. Once TSI and MACD gives a buy signal, you can go ahead with this. Your risk is minimum. And very important, last week they have declared a quarterly results. I think that's one of the best results they have declared, wherein the loss making company is, they posted a positive results. So just go and check out their fundamentals before considering this stock. And again, you know that Indigo is only the monopoly in this industry, but okay, now Air India and all those companies are going to come into the market and compete with each other. But at this moment, I feel this is a good level to enter if somebody want to enter in this stock. The last one is Marico. So this is from a FMCG sector. As per our strategy, already this stock gave a buy signal, but as I say, even though the stock gives a buy signal as per our junior Kgs strategy, I don't consider to buy, because if the stock is below 200 EMA. So if you see this, after giving a buy signal as per our strategy, stock went up very strongly, and on Friday it closed above the 200 EMA. And even if you see here, 9 EMA is going to cross 21 EMA. So I see this stock is at a perfect level to enter if somebody want to consider some stock in the FMCG sector. But here if you see, I have drawn one alert line here, because this is, I feel, is the support line, and here it acted as a resistance line. So I will wait this trend line to break, which is almost 515 516 level. If the price close above this trend line decisively, if it closes tomorrow only above this line, so by end of the day I probably might take the long position here, and then I can keep on adding the trenches here. So if you see, since last 4 or 5 days, in last week, there are very good strong volumes are coming in this stock. So friends, so these are some of the stocks which I have considered for next week's watch list. So just have a look from your side also, and if you feel any other stock need to be watched, so please share with me. And if you want to share any comment on these stocks, please do share with me. I might be wrong, I might be right. But please do your evaluation before considering any stocks. And one very important disclaimer, guys, these stocks which we have discussed here, so this is just, I wanted to share my knowledge or experience what I have. I am not recommending anyone to take a buy or a sell position on those stocks. These are just an educational purpose. Please do your homework and study before taking any position. Thank you very much, guys.